Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So after yesterday's video of OxygenOS 12 open beta for OnePlus 8 series and OnePlus 9R, we have been getting many comments regarding downgrading back to OxygenOS 11 from OxygenOS 12 open beta. So in this video, we'll share with you guys step-by-step guide on downgrading your OnePlus 8 series and OnePlus 9 series to OxygenOS 11. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my OnePlus 8 which is running on OxygenOS 12 open beta 1 as you can see here. And guys, before continuing the video, let's keep a like target of 400 likes on this video, and still we have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So it's a humble request, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And now let's talk about the process. So guys, process is quite simple. I know there are some issues. Most users are getting the installation failed error while trying to downgrade using local upgrade method. I'll let you know guys what's the reason behind it. But first of all, you need to keep few things in mind. Make sure your device is charged sufficiently, and also do take a backup of the entire storage, because downgrading will wipe data from your device, including internal storage. So make sure to take a backup before proceeding. And now to downgrade, you basically require two files. So one is a APK file, I'll show you that also. And the second one is downgrade package. And guys, for downgrade package, make sure to download the correct downgrade package for your particular region, or else you might end up getting errors, and after that you will be requiring a file which can help you local upgrade your device. So OnePlus have already provided this file with OxygenOS Open Beta 1, but that's in Chinese language. Here we have an application which consists of English language. Now if you use this particular application, which I'll provide you guys in the description below, that's in English language, you will be easily able to downgrade your device. And if you download the file on your device like the downgrade package, there are possibilities that file extension would be .jar. So first we need to rename this file guys. So you can just long press on the file, tap on these three dots, tap on rename, and from here you just need to remove .jar extension. Later just save the file and you are good to go. And with this particular application, it is not required to move the zip file to root directory of internal storage. As you can see here, downgrade package is present in the download folder of our internal storage. So now it is not required to move this folder to the root directory. Without even moving the zip file, you can easily do a local upgrade with the new application which is provided in the description below. But once again, make sure to remove .jar extension from the end if it's present. So once you rename, the file should look something like this, which will have this .zip extension. Now let's open up the application, and from here we need to select local upgrade. Once you tap on local upgrade, it will take you to the device internal storage or the recents page. So by tapping these three lines on the left top corner, you can select your device name or the internal storage, then just locate the file. For example, on our device, file is present in the download section, so we can select the file from here. The app might take around 3 to 5 seconds to verify the package. Once the package is verified, you'll get a pop-up to install now. Just tap on install, and here you can see the status of installation. Installation might take around 4 to 5 minutes. Once it's done, device will boot into recovery, perform a factory reset and boot into OxygenOS 11. So before rebooting, make sure to take a backup of your device. We'll wait for the device to complete the installation process or the downgrade process, and once it's done, I'll get back to you guys. And once the process is completed, it will ask you to restart your device. So now you can just long press on the power key and tap on restart. As you can see, device booted into recovery and performing a factory reset. Now it should boot into OxygenOS 11. Okay, so our device have been successfully booted. Let me complete the initial setup. Okay, so we have successfully downgraded our device to OxygenOS. Let me show you the software information. Here you can see build number is now OxygenOS 11.0.9.9. And now you will receive all the official updates based on OxygenOS 11 until we get stable version of OxygenOS 12. So guys, this was a quick step-by-step guide to downgrade your OnePlus 8 series or OnePlus 9R from OxygenOS 12 Open Beta 1 to OxygenOS 11. If you still have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.